If you have some sort of mess that doesn't really require a broom or the need to break out the big vacuum, you may benefit from this right here. This is a handheld cordless vacuum sent to me free of charge for this review. So this isn't going to require any batteries. They do provide you with the charging base. Your charging port is going to be on the bottom here. Just going to place it in the base. So we have two different brush nozzles. So these are just going to go on the end of the vacuum, just like this. However, you do have some extensions also. So you have this one right here, which is going to be kind of a crevice tool to get into the smaller areas and in the creases of a wall and things like that. However, you are going to be able to attach your brush tools as well. And then when you are done using your vacuum, you are going to be able to discard the debris very, very easily. Just press on this unlock button right here. The top is going to pop off. That is going to reveal your filter that you are going to be able to remove, get cleaned out with this brush or with some hot water. If you do use water, just be sure to allow it to dry for 24 hours before you place it back into your vacuum. If you just have a small mess that doesn't really take much to clean up, but you don't want to break out your broom or your other bigger vacuum, this right here is something that you may want to add to your list.